What's going on, AI pros? Michael here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing using AI and ChatGPT. Now, if you've never made $1 online before, you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to get started and what I do on a daily basis. If you want everything that I'm going to be showing in today's video, just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I will send you access to everything. Now, before we get started, what you're going to need is to get access to the digital playbook right here. This is a step-by-step checklist of kind of my process. You have all these different prompts that I use to create my videos. This link right here will take you to this little Notion tab that just gives you more prompts as far as how to do everything from Instagram content, Facebook, LinkedIn, all that stuff. You have access to a list of 130 plus AI tools that I use. These are the essential tools right here that I use that I'll be going over later. You have done for you AI videos. These are just like make.com blueprints that I've made in the past, and then just a library of other things that I've used. Now, like I said, if you want access to all this, just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and you will get access. Now, if you want to just go ahead and get access quickly, just go to digitalplaybook.com, go here, put in your email, and you will get sent access to this Google Sheet. But let's go ahead and dive into the video. So where is it? Right here. So there's really 5 steps of this process, and I'm just going to use this board to make it a little bit easier. We have the first one right here, which is get access to the digital playbook. So I've used this, or I've been adding to this for over a year now, and people always want the process because this video or just watching it on YouTube can be, time consuming and they miss things. This literally shows you how to get started from creating a funnel, which basically this is right here, and then from setting up your different accounts, Potato, or other ones that I'm going to be showing you today within these AI tools right here. So first thing, just go ahead and hit that link in the description and get the digital playbook. Next thing on this step is to select an AI tool. So how we're going to be using affiliate marketing and making money is through affiliate marketing. And something that my mentor taught me is this term called ACEs. So what that is attention, conversation, educate, and sales. So you're not going to be able to make money if you don't have any traffic. What traffic is basically just eyeballs or people clicking on your links. Conversation would be in their email, giving them some background on, let's say we pick an AI tool, give them some information about that AI tool for them to sign up for it and then start using it. Also in that email, you're going to educate them. And then once they get to know you, you educate them a little bit, then that sale comes. So this was kind of that full process, but now I'm going to break it down a little bit. So you're going to select an AI tool. The good thing is for the most part, all of these tools right here have affiliate marketing programs. So OpenArt, Subscriber, VSub, all these that are ones that I'm using in my day-to-day process, and they all have affiliate marketing links that you can, or programs that you can sign up for. So let's just go with Pixels, for example. Pixels is what I use sometimes for thumbnails, but you can also use it for other things, but mainly just thumbnails and titles. So for the most part, you'll be able to find if these programs have affiliate programs they'll just say it right here, or you can scroll down to the very bottom, and normally in their footer, they will have something for you to sign up for an affiliate link. So you'll just click here, join our program, sign up, and then voila. Once you do, you will get a link that looks like this. Not this link. You'll get a link that looks like this. So this is my affiliate link. So when someone clicks on this, and let's say they try it out for free, and then they end up purchasing it, I will get a commission on that sale. So that's how you can start earning money. And then once you have this affiliate link like this, you want to put it somewhere where you can have access to it quickly. So what I do, and what I've been doing, is I just use my digital playbook right here. All these have affiliate links to where when someone clicks on them, and if they like the tool after the free trial, they can sign up, and then I'll start getting a commission off that. Going back to the mirror, select an AI tool, then replicate content. So I say replicate because I'm going to show you some videos that I use to start generating traffic and views, but also this can just be as far as like creating content. And these tools like Potato and VSub allow you to do that, to generate views really quickly. So if you go back here, and then under videos, these are just, I made these a year ago, so these are like really really bad as far as the technology. I need to update this, but these are background videos that you can use. What I use is, we'll go to desktop, top 3. So these are like top 3 videos. So what I'm going to show you is the framework of what you can use. We'll just watch this real quick.
These are the top 3 websites you're not supposed to know. Digitalplaybook.com is a full free checklist that shows you how to earn money by clipping on social media. AARmyClone.com, a list of over 400 AI tools that pays you to promote them for free. The last website lets you send millions of messages with bots. If you'd like me to send it to you, respond with the word yes in the comments right now.
So after watching that video, 30 seconds, there's a lot of little points that you can take from. So if you notice that the 2 websites that I mentioned, one was Digital Playbook and then one was AI Army Clone. Both of those websites lead to my funnel, which leads to my funnel, which then I can collect their email and building up an email list, because you have those forever. Like one of my YouTube channels got a strike, so now I can't put links in it. That's okay. That's not okay, but I still have access to all those email addresses through my email newsletter. If you notice at the end of that video too, I said, drop a comment if you'd like me to send this over to you. I say that because that helps with the algorithm. As far as when Instagram sees people are commenting on that video, they think the video's good, it's gonna start pushing it out to more people. But literally you could just copy what I said, but just change the websites out to your own URLs. And if you need help with like finding or buying domains, I go through this right here in this checklist. Yeah, use Namecheap, buy a domain. This is a YouTube video that shows you how to do this. So I try to make this process as simple as possible. Here's an AI tool that I use to help with writing scripts and everything like that. Simple, ChatGPT or Subscriber. So this is a tool that I've briefly used, but I like it because it has a lot of free tools that you can use as well. And it also has an affiliate program. So let's say I want to write a script or a hook generator. So the video title is top 3. Right here you could put your YouTube channel. Now starting off, I wouldn't suggest, you just want to pick one. So Instagram, Facebook are probably the best to start off with. But if you got time and you just want to start posting blowing up content, start YouTube as well. TikTok, I haven't, for using AI generated content, it's not the best, but I haven't used TikTok in 6 months as far as trying to upload on TikTok. So if you find that app works out for you, please let me know in the comments. So these are just some, there's $1 billion industry bill. So these are more generated for YouTube, it looks like. But honestly, take my video, that top 3 video, there's plenty on my YouTube channel, and just get the transcript from it with your own domains, digitalplaybook.com, or you can make the domain whatever you want. I'm also pretty sure that I give you these prompts right here. So boom, these are all the prompts that you need to start making these videos. So going back to the board, this is why I do this. You can see, if you've made it this far, you're probably like, what the heck is this guy talking about? Well, I took a break from making videos because, like I said, I got that strike. And it kind of not messed with me, it's just an excuse, but I was like, dang, like I don't want to get another strike, then I'm gonna have to wait like a month. So I'm just getting back into things of this, but I'm gonna start being more consistent. Replicate content, boom, you have that, you know what to do. The next is send traffic to your link, and that is gonna be from posting on social media. So there's plenty of schedulers out there nowadays. I know Blotato has one. What I've used for years is Go High Level. Now I know people don't like using Go High Level because it costs money, but it's an investment. So what you would do is connect all your social media accounts. I have a couple Instagrams, need to reconnect my Facebooks. Haven't been posting on the Facebooks recently just because I get good results with the Instagram, and then you just schedule them out. If you notice, I've been focused on getting these YouTube videos back up. Haven't scheduled out any of my content on Instagram. So my leads that I've been getting into my newsletter have been not as high as they normally have. But to take you through an example of once you have a downloaded video, a top 3 websites video, is you'll go here, boom, select all your different Instagram accounts, write the caption, something like drop a comment and I'll send you the link, and then you'll hit post, schedule it, post. Now, I'm not going through this super in depth, because I have access to everything in here on the digital playbook in the VIP checklist, where you can literally, this will probably take you, if you're not tech savvy, maybe a whole week if you have another 9 to 5 or something like that, and just go through, fill out everything and get this set up. Also, what was I gonna do? I lost track. You have, boom, you start creating content. Also, this is a long-term play. You're not going to start making money within probably 30 days, 60 days, maybe, if not that. If you look at my YouTube channels, I've been posting for a year, pretty much constantly if you look back through all my videos. So you're gonna have to put in the work. This is not like a get rich quick scheme. Also too, in one of these, if you see down here, clip merchants, this is, I have a WAP, which is like a community, and if you wanna, the quickest way to make money would probably be clipping. Right now, I haven't used my WAP in a while. If you can see, still need to get some updates, but I have a community that once I start posting, and then I might start using again. Let's go to store page. Yeah, so right now it's 12 bucks just to get in a one-time purchase, but I'm gonna make this free again, I think. Where does it show you how many? So digital playbook, I should have, yeah. So I have quite a few people in here. This community is dead, so don't worry about it. You'll get access to the digital playbook inside your email. If you don't, comment below, but you should, or check spam. My email deliverability is pretty good. But the last thing is automate and repeat. On Instagram and TikTok, I would try TikTok. I'm gonna start doing that, but I'm trying to focus on YouTube. Is this should be something that you're posting every day. Just put one video every day. First video is not maybe gonna get 1 view, maybe 2 views. Third day is gonna get 6 views. Maybe on the 14th day you get 15 views. I mean, if you're looking up about how to use affiliate marketing or how to start making money online, this is literally the best time to get started, because I don't know, I'm just talking. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below. Also, go to digitalplaybook.com, get started with this. If you've made it this far, I promise you my videos are gonna start getting better as far as me talking in front of the camera, but I coach basketball. I've been doing that all summer traveling, but I will get back into creating content consistently, because for me, how can I tell you guys to do something if I'm not doing it? It starts now. If you want to create a YouTube video like this, you're not camera shy, start doing stuff like this, screen sharing. It works. You can see it on my channel. But that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.